It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Welcome, everyone. It's sunny in Van, where the grass is always greener. On this channel, we try to educate you on real estate, investing, cash flow properties, pre sales, resales. Whether if you're buying or selling a home, we're here to help you out. But before we start this show, just want to give you a heads up disclaimer alert. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not professional or financial advice. With that being said, let's get right on to it. All right, everyone, this is Stats Center of Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver. I do have Vancouver open here. I have Surrey as another city in the lower mainland area of Greater Vancouver. Also have Burnaby as well as Richmond. And we're just going to quickly go through what your medium house would roughly be, your average houses, what has sold, etc. Just through these stats so you just have a better idea of what the market is looking like right now. So we're looking at the MLS home price index right now, and we're looking at your average prices in Vancouver roughly being 1.2 million, which is a 0.5% increase. We got Surrey at 1.138 million, which it looks like there has been a decrease of negative 3.9% regarding the price. And we have Burnaby. Your average house is out in Burnaby is roughly at 1,089,000, an increase of 1%. And we also have Richmond, which is roughly at 1.188 million, which has an increase of 2.6%. Out of all these locations, Vancouver, Surrey, Burnaby, and Richmond, it looks like Surrey has a negative 3.9% decrease in value of homes. Now, as you can see from 2020, your average home in Vancouver was at 914,000, Surrey was 731,000, Burnaby 840,000, and Richmond was 873,000. Now that is January of 2020, and that's a big increase as you can see right here in the data. Now, what we'll do is let's quickly go to the sales price. Medium sales that are happening in Vancouver, you're looking at 978,000, increase of 8.7%. Surrey looks like that the medium home is 942,000 with the increase of 3%. And Burnaby is looking like 856,000 with the increase of 12.6%. Wow, what an increase. It looks like Richmond is at roughly $900,000 with an increase of 6.5%. Now, this is the medium sales price. If we look at the average, it'll have a significant difference about the pricing, the value of these homes. The reason I kind of look at the median versus the average you can have a home that was like 10 million and another home that was 500,000, which really skews the numbers. So we're just going to stick to the median prices right now. But let's change this. So this is all the homes. This could be detached homes, apartments, and townhouses. So let's just go one by one. Let's look at the detached homes and let's see what's actually selling here. So it looks like the medium home out in Vancouver is roughly selling for 1.8 million, increase of 4%. Surrey's medium is 1.52, which is flatline here. Doesn't look like there was a difference there. Burnaby is at 1.92, which is a 1.1% increase. And in Richmond, the medium house has gone up to 2.1%. Wow, that's a 13.5% increase in home values. That is insane. Now, this is for detached homes only. Let's move over to apartments and let's just see where the apartments are looking at. You're looking at roughly the medium price in Vancouver at 725,000, and that has an increase of 4.3. When it comes to Surrey, the medium apartments is at 577,000. That is an increase of 10%. So that is a pretty big increase there. Burnaby is looking at 725,000, which is a 4.5% increase. And Richmond, you're looking at $680,000 for a medium of that apartment, which increase of 7.1%. And you can see back here that it was an increase of, you know, 583,000 Vancouver, 365,000 was your medium home out in Vancouver, sorry, in Surrey. Burnaby was 589 and Richmond was at 555. So a little bit more of an increase over the time. If we went back to the detached homes, which we already did just previously, I just wanted to go back as well. You can see that the houses in Richmond was 1.6, Burnaby 1.374, Surrey was 1 million, and Vancouver was 1.327. And obviously, we already went through this, as you can see the increase. Now, the green line is represented to Vancouver, as you can see the price of homes here. It does look like that Burnaby and Richmond, for the median price when it comes to detached, has surpassed Vancouver. When it comes to apartments, it looks like Burnaby and Vancouver are basically locked in head on. But throughout the trends, you can see Surrey well below that trend. But Richmond's fairly close. As you can see, there was a top here in March of 2022, but then a massive drop happened in December of 2022. But since has recovered, but there looks like there is a little bit of a decrease that is from July of 2023 as well as June of 2023. That's when you can see a little bit of a decrease. Let's move on to townhomes. So out in Vancouver, the average townhome is going for 1.09, roughly 1.1 million, and that's the medium sales price of a townhouse. Now, this is all sales data. Now, this is an increase of 9.9%. So you're looking at 850,000 for your average, or sorry, medium price of sale of a townhome, increase of 0.3. But this is phenomenal. These two over here, Burnaby, median price of a townhouse, 1,076,000, but it went by 18.4%, an increase of the sale price of 18.4%. That is insane. Now, Richmond also had a big bump. It is as an increase as it went up to 1.163. That is massive. Look at the 18.4%. It looks to have gone down here of June of 2023, but it was a very sharp increase. Look at that vertical there of July 2023. Very strong, catching up to Vancouver. Vancouver a little bit more consistent. Burnaby a little bit more volatile. If we look back at January 2020, your medium home sale of Vancouver, 750,000 for townhouse, sorry. Surrey was 572, Burnaby was 744,000, and Richmond was $785,000. Massive increase for Burnaby and Richmond. So if you are interested in purchasing a home or selling your home, feel free to reach out to us. All the contact information will be in the description of the video below. We're here to help you out. If it's a resale, pre-sale, if you're looking to sell your home, if you're looking to buy a home, looking for cash flow properties or investment properties, we're here to help you out with the real estate goals and dreams. Stay tuned for more content for Sunny and Van. In the meantime, Sunny out.
It's sunny. It's sunny in Van. It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.